Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. So on occasion I've been known to stop at the side of the road and say, hey, look, there's some cows. And on this day there was an awful lot of cows. And they seemed somewhat intrigued with me and they didn't seem worried that I was there. Sometimes I'll take a look and say, oh, who's that? What's that? And then they'll say, no, we don't want anything to do with him, and poof, they'll all go away. But this, if I had to call this anything, I'd call it Three Wise Men. Or three wise people, three wise women, three wise. Because there they are. It's almost like they're posing, like, hello, I don't know why you want to take our picture, but we'll stand here. We'll look, somewhat interested, and we'll space ourselves out. And it's funny, I really didn't notice cow ears before, but yes, they have ears. They do. I wonder, I always wonder, who knows what I wonder. Anyway, there's certainly a lot of grass on the other side of the fence where I am. Maybe they're looking at that saying, green stuff, yummy, yummy, yummy. I don't know. Anyway, another thing that I like about it is that just they weren't all lined up perfectly. The one on the left is a little lower, kind of looking a little, well, sheepish. But no, it's a cow. Kind of like, well, I don't know about this. And the one on the far side, it's taller. And one of its eyes is blocked by an ear. But it looks sort of older and wiser and like kind of, I don't know about this. And the one in the middle to me just looks kind of ornery. Like, yeah, we'll put up with you for a while, but I don't know for how long. Anyway, cows, cows, cows. This is when I used to carry a camera. I used to stop sometimes trips north that would normally take 2 hours, might take 6. Generally when I was alone, of course, because, of course, unless you're with somebody who gets it and somebody who understands, they don't get it, they don't understand. So, keep training your eye. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.